Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Amazon Music Unlimited subscription quickly and easily. If you've been wondering how to stop your subscription without any hassle, this guide is for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have it done in just a few minutes. Open Amazon Music. First, open your web browser and go to music.amazon.com. This is where you can manage all your Amazon Music settings. Log into your account. Next, sign in using your Amazon credentials. Make sure you use the account that's subscribed to Amazon Music Unlimited. Once logged in, you'll be ready to access your subscription settings. Access settings. Now look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, select Amazon Music Settings. This is where all your subscription details are stored. Find your subscription details, scroll down in the settings until you see Amazon Music Unlimited. Here you'll find all the information about your current plan, including renewal dates and payment details. Cancel your subscription. Click the Cancel Subscription button, which is usually located under your subscription renewal details. Don't worry, this won't take more than a few clicks. Confirm cancellation. Finally, a confirmation page will appear. Review the information carefully to make sure everything is correct. Then finalize your cancellation. Once confirmed, your Amazon Music Unlimited subscription will be canceled and you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. And that's it. Canceling Amazon Music Unlimited is quick and simple when you know where to look. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more easy tech guides and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.